Suravi. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to episode 3 of Tarapeeth vlog. So, if you have not watched the first 2 episodes, then I am requesting you to watch the previous episodes first and then watch this one. Please click on the I button to watch the previous episodes. So, as I have promised in episode 2 that I would be showing you all the balconies in the morning, so here it is. This is one of the balconies and this is the view from the 3rd floor. So you can see the view from here, and there is the main road, and also in the balcony there is a chair, and I have clicked a lot of pictures in the balcony. Okay, so you can see that there are so many people on the road and they have dressed in a certain way and they are going somewhere all together. So where are they going? Let me tell you that they are going to the temple of Lord Shiva, but why they are going, that I'm going to tell you later in this video. Okay, so this is one of the balconies. Now I will be going to the other balcony. Let me tell you that I woke up at 9:30 a.m. and after that I had breakfast and then I took a shower and then I got dressed up, and now I am making videos for you all. The condition of the bed is not so good. It looks messy because we will be leaving the room in a while. Okay, so this is another balcony. After I make this video, then I will be packing my backpack. So please stay tuned. Hi, so we are going to leave now. I have shown you the room at night, but this is morning time, so see how it looks in the morning. Okay, so this room has 2 balconies, and this is like the attached room, and the main big room has one more balcony. This is the balcony. So yes, the rooms are empty now because we are going to leave now. So right now we are going to a temple of Lord Shiva. Let me tell you that today is the last Monday of Shravan. Shravan is the 5th month of the Hindu calendar, and on every Monday of Shravan, Hindu devotees keep whole day fasting and they worship Lord Shiva to seek his divine blessings. So we are also going to the temple of Lord Shiva to seek his blessings, and let's see if we can pour water on the Shivling. Let's see what's the condition out there. So come with me, I will show you all. Hi, so we are about to reach the temple. Do you remember that I showed you a group of people from the balcony? They were coming to this temple only because today is the last Monday of Shravan. Hi, so finally I'm back in the car and I could pour water on the Shivling. Here on my forehead is the mark. So now we are heading towards Kolkata, and I have enjoyed a lot in this short trip, and I hope you all too have enjoyed watching all the episodes of Tarapit vlog. So yes, I'm going to end this vlog right now. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this vlog. So I will be seeing you guys very soon. Till then, be happy, make others happy. Bye.